uh, still doing it. So see, the overall thing is we're going to learn all these areas on YouTube marketing. So there are 12 major points what you need to learn on YouTube. So we are done with the how to create the YouTube channel. Today we're going to learn how algorithm works. Okay. So in the last class, what we discussed, it was right, but then I think it is this format is much more organized. So I'll start from here and slowly we progress towards all these points. Okay. That is when you'll be able to clearly understand how do you market on YouTube and how you're going to, what's the direction in which you're supposed to start your YouTube channel. So we are done with this creating and setting up all the things. How YouTube algorithm works. All right. Coming to YouTube. Okay, see, we discussed about Instagram algorithms, we discussed about LinkedIn, we discussed about Facebook. But now we're going to understand how YouTube works properly. Before I proceed further, I just want to check it out. Am I audible to you guys?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. So coming to YouTube, see, YouTube algorithm works majorly on four key aspects. Okay. The home page, when you look at the YouTube page, okay, YouTube as a page. This is the home page. Then, you they have when you click on any page, they have suggested pages. Okay. Then they have trending here and they have search bar here. Okay. These are the main four areas: homepage, suggested videos, search, and trending. These four are the major areas where how YouTube works. Okay. We are just going to explore each of these areas in detail today. So when it comes to homepage, see what happens is if you go browse through YouTube homepage, whatever videos are shown here, okay, when it comes to this homepage, what videos are shown here, it completely depends on multiple factors. Major factors that include are your performance and your personalization. Basically, what you generally see when you are logging into YouTube with an account, with your account, it depends on what you are generally, searching on YouTube. So YouTube algorithm is based in such a manner that what you search on YouTube, it gets connected and similar videos shows up on your YouTube page. Okay, homepage as recommended options. Okay. Also, it depends on the performance. See, performance basically means that when someone posts a video, okay, how much it is watched by the age group or by the demographic people of your kind. See, when you log into YouTube, you fill in your information, right? Your age, your gender, your interest levels, and there are a lot of questions which Google asks you to submit. Okay, so what YouTube does is based on your profile. Okay, whichever video is being more popular, being watched more by others of your kind, they will show those videos. Okay, so you will follow, guys, how it works. Two major parameters it works is performance of the video and personalization about your watch history and interest. Okay, YouTube combines these two parameters and then these videos come up on the homepage. Okay, so now as a marketer, you are supposed to uh, ensure that your videos are coming on the homepage of your target audience. Then what are you supposed to do? First thing is there are certain tips and techniques, tips and questions which I've just posted for you to start with. First thing is you have to pretend to be a new viewer to your channel. See, when it comes to new viewer, what you're supposed to do it is you should go to your YouTube page and see will you be interested to watch these videos? Will you like these videos as a viewer, not as a creator? Okay. Are these videos any helpful to you? Is it giving you good information? Is it solving any kind of a problem that you're facing? Are these videos of your area of interest? So all these objective analysis you are supposed to do. Okay. So what happens is, see, you are the creator, guys. Okay. You are the creator. You are stepping into the shoes of a viewer. So if you yourself don't like the videos, in case, then why would anybody like it? Why, how can you expect that? You being a creator, you are not liking the video. How can you expect others will like it? So definitely you have to analyze it. Okay, are you actually creating some content which is solving a person's problem? Okay, that's the first thing which you're supposed to do. So ask yourself, would you like to watch these videos or are they of your interest? Okay. Will people take their time off from the busy schedules to watch your videos? Just try to brainstorm about yourself. Okay. This will help you to understand whether these videos are actually interesting or not. Okay. Because the whole logic here of coming on the home screen is that the video has to perform. First and foremost thing, when it comes to homepage, if a video has to go to the homepage of the target audience, it has to perform good. Okay. It has to be viewed by many people. And second major thing is it has to be in the interest bucket of your target audience. So if your target audience is not interested in your videos, they will obviously not click on it, right? So these two are the major things which you have to check it out for and create your videos on accordingly. Okay. Now you keep creating the videos, right? So you might not understand which video is performing better, which video might not perform better. So you have YouTube analytics. We're going to discuss this in the further sections, but analytics gives you an understanding of which video is being watched for how much duration, where how much till what duration the video is being watched, and how it is performing, people are liking it or sharing or not, what are they doing with the video. All this analytics you can do it in the YouTube analytics section, which we're going to uncover in the further areas. So when it comes to YouTube algorithm, first and foremost thing which you have to look at is your homepage. Okay, it has to be relevant to your target audience, guys. And the homepage has to, you have to make sure that your video should exactly solve a problem solve a problem of your target audience. Okay, interesting to watch. When I say interesting, it can see today's era or generation, we don't like to watch videos which are plain and they don't have good effects and visuals. So it is better to make YouTube videos. Okay. It is okay to make less YouTube videos. Okay. But it is good that you use professional editor, video editor, add some graphics, add some improvements in them. Okay. So that people you would be able to retain their interest. Okay. If you're doing this automatically, what happens is slowly steadily your videos starts popping up in the homepage of your target audience. And the best part is, once you are able to make your videos to the homepage of your audience, the visibility automatically increases. Okay, that's the first thing. So when you're doing YouTube marketing, you have to be very careful about the homepage. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second thing is suggested videos. See, when we use YouTube, okay, you see here there are some suggested videos, right? So let us say I'm playing any video. Okay, these are all songs, guys. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'll play this video from Anubhav Singh Basi. I'm clicking on the video. See, the moment I have clicked on this video, okay, we have got multiple other videos from first two are from the same content creator, from the same person, Anubhav Basi. Then we have from Zakir Khan, then again Basi, then Set India, then Akash Gupta. So we have many videos, but they are related to each other. Okay. So this video is all about stand-up comedy. So here they are showing you multiple videos of stand-up comedies. Okay. Now the ground idea is how do you come up here? Okay. How do you ensure that your videos are coming on your in the suggested videos? Okay. See, certain things you have to follow. You have to ensure that you are following these tips and techniques for you to increase the watch time. Okay. Create a series of your videos and turn them into a playlist. See, what happens is when you turn them into a playlist, YouTube automatically play those videos in a sequential format. So if you see this, see what I did is I'll just open my YouTube page. Uh, this is my YouTube channel. If I open the playlist, one second. Yeah. If I go to the playlist, see what I did is I just added certain topics in the playlist. Okay. Now I know that these topics are connected to each other. These topics are connected to each other. So what I did is I just added them in the playlist. So if someone is watching this, probably this can be it's their area of interest. So they might watch this as well. So what happens slowly and steadily, you might get good views. They come up into a suggested list. Okay, and that is how you can increase more followers, more subscribers, or more views to your videos. Okay. Second thing is you can have YouTube has features like cards. So if you see this, okay, I have taken this example from a famous creator called Ashish Chanchlani. Okay. So if you see this, his page, his video, at the end of the video, what he did is he added these are called cards, YouTube cards. Okay, he added these cards. These are nothing but the videos. So if I'm clicking here, I go to another video, right? Then this is called end screen, where he just mentioned about probably he might be having some collaboration. So he just mentioned about their collaboration. Okay, but need not necessarily that you put in the collaboration here. You can put your call to action, what your people, what you know your viewers should do it, or what other kinds of videos you create. Automatically, when you create these cards, okay, YouTube understands that these videos are connected to each other. So when person is clicking on these videos and watching those videos, slowly, these videos become connected and it is shown in the suggested videos. Okay, so that is how the algorithm starts connecting the videos based on certain variables. Okay, here playlist, cards, end screens, call to action buttons. These are the variables to which YouTube try to connect your videos and show them in the suggested list. Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Then you have create videos in trending formats. Very obvious. See, there is a separate trending bar on YouTube. See, what do you mean by trending? Any video which is viewed more number of times repeatedly in a very short span. Okay, that becomes trending. Okay, so what you can, and it is location specific, guys. So if I just go to my YouTube channel and go to trending, see, there are a lot of Telugu production because I'm in Telangana. So a lot of option which is shown here in as trending. If you open the same tab in US, they might show you trending as per US region. Okay. So what happens is these trending are nothing but highly viewed content. Okay. So what you can do is you can browse through this trending tab and see what type of videos are trending more. You can see, you can ignore the topic, guys, because it might not be relevant to you, but you can focus on the format. You can focus on what is the length of the video which is generally being posted. Okay. What are the graphics or animations which are being used in the video? Okay. Then you can also see what type of videos are being trending. Let's say if I go here, some of them, I don't know Telugu, but then I can understand that some of them are from movies and then games, cartoons, or whatever. Stand-up comedy as well. So different things, right? So you can also see what type of videos are trending. So this will help you to build content according to this. Okay. You can observe the title, what they are putting here, the description, what they are putting here, the type of the thumbnail which they are using, how are they using a thumbnail which can be very much attractive to people. Okay. You can also see that what type of video, what content they are posting on a video. All these things, when you're studying all these things, it will just help you to understand what people is like, what people are liking. Because they're liking and viewing, that's why this is becoming trending, right? So automatically, it will help you to understand what you should do so that people like your videos as well. Okay. And that is the whole idea of a trending tab. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you said that the video which will be displayed on the home page, it depends on the watch history of the audience. So how can like we know the history of the target audience? Like,
See, the thing is, you might not be able to exactly know the history of your target audience, but based on your target audience, you can assume that what they might like based on the interest which they have. Okay. Based on what location they are into, you can make certain assumptions. See, knowing exactly is not possible, but then you just have to make certain assumptions. And then this is the reason, because you are making certain assumptions. Okay, later on you have to analyze what type of content is working best for you. So slowly you'll be able to understand what exactly your target audience is liking. Do you understand?
yes, sir. Sir, adding to playlist and adding to cart is like similar, sir.
No, see, adding to a playlist means, see, there's a separate option called playlist. Okay, where you know it's a sequence. So if you use YouTube, okay, there will be multiple videos in a sequence, right? Why it is showing up there? Because it is being added as a playlist. Okay, one by one it will show. But adding to a card means at the end of the video, these cards will appear. Okay, at the end of the video, these cards will appear. The option to add the card will be there or while you are uploading it. So when we are studying about how to upload a video and things like that, that is when you'll be able to understand how do you add cards to your YouTube video in the further sections of this syllabus.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. So now, see what things which you have to do so that it becomes trending, it become people starting to click your videos. First and foremost thing is have consistent thumbnail styles for your videos. See, what do you mean by thumbnail? Thumbnail is the cover photo of your video. See, generally speaking, whenever you search for anything, on YouTube, there'll be a lot of search results which can come up. So, how do you decide Okay, which video to click on. Generally, at the back of your mind, you pay attention to the image which you are seeing. That's how you decide, guys. Okay. So that's called a thumbnail. Okay. You have to make sure that you are maintaining consistent thumbnail formats. Okay. So if you look at this thumbnail format, what is the common thing which you can see here, guys? These are the thumbnails of one, two, three, four, five videos. Okay. These are thumbnails of five videos. Can you tell me what is the most common thing which you can see in these thumbnails?
Sir of Ashish Chantalani.
Exactly, his face, right? See, basically, who will access? See, now the logic. I'll explain the logic here. Okay, what happens is people, if they want to watch these videos, they will not type the topic content. They will not type tuition classes or bache or exam ka mausam. They will not type like this. What they will type? Ashish Chanchlani videos. Okay. So what he did is he created his own personal brand. What he did, he just used his face in every thumbnail somehow. Okay. In every thumbnail, he used his face. So the moment you type Ashish Chanchlani videos, you will only click on those videos in which his face is visible because that's his identity. Okay. So, like that, you have to make sure that whenever you are creating a thumbnail, there have to be consistent color combinations, formats, some common theme has to be there. Okay. I I am not saying that you should always use faces or people in the thumbnails, but it is good to have humans in thumbnails. It will give you better, it will attract people more. And also, you have to decide what is the what is the identity of your brand. Okay, if you recollect your concepts, we discussed about brand anchoring. So definitely you can use your brand anchor in commonly in all the thumbnails. So what happens is people will start recognizing your video based on the brand anchor that you have. And that is how your videos become more, people will start to notice your videos more and they will start to view them more. Okay. That's the first thing which you have to follow. Are you guys following? Are you able to understand? So,
Yes, sir.
see, when it comes to YouTube algorithm, first thing we discussed about the homepage, then we discussed about the suggested videos, then we discussed about the trending formats, and now we're going to discuss about the search. This is very important, guys. Search is something which is extremely important because most of the things are based on what you search. Okay. Now, this search option is connected to SEO. It's majorly connected to search engine optimization. So YouTube algorithm majorly works as a SEO, as a search engine. Although it is still a confusion, it is not a very clear thing whether it is only an SEO or a social media platform as well. But then SEO works a very important aspect when it comes to growth in the YouTube channel. Why? Because see, your videos have to match with the search results, guys. Now, see, you tell me, do you use YouTube, guys?
Yes.
Do you use? Of course, everyone uses YouTube, right? So, what you generally do, you open the YouTube application, you search for something, and then you select a video, right? That is the most common thing which people do. So, your challenge as a YouTube marketer is you have to understand what people search here. Okay. Based on what people search, you have to create your videos and its content. Okay. So keywords play a very, very important role. Okay. Here in this course, I'll just explain you certain aspects of keyword strategy, but then in SEO, we're going to elaborate more on how do you develop the keyword strategy. Okay. So see, if you look at this image, okay, in this image, it is shown here as puppies playing with big dogs. Based on this search results, based on the search keyword, these results have come up. Now, how YouTube decides which one should come on top and which one should not come on top? Can anybody widely guess why this video has come up on top? Any idea, guys? Sorry?
That is an ad, sir. That's why it came out now.
Exactly. This is an ad. Okay. So this company, whichever company it is, they have paid YouTube. Okay. That is why it has come up. But if you see, after this, there is this video. Now, why do you think, guys, that this ad has come up? These ads came up above. Okay. Why? Because this keyword, the intention of this keyword and these words which are being used are definitely being used in thumbnails, in the caption, the puppies, cute puppies playing with big dogs compilation. See if you read all the three captions, titles, funny big dog meeting and playing little puppies. Golden retriever dog meets puppy for the first time. Now, out of these three, this is the most matching phrase. Puppies playing with big dogs, cute puppies playing with big dogs. So this is the most matching phrase, right? And that is why it has come up first. Okay. Then this has, similar. It is not exactly matching the keyword, but then the intention is matching, right? For both the videos. That's why these videos are being showed up. The whole logic here is that when you are creating these titles, when you're writing this video titles, when you're writing this description, when you're adding thumbnails and posting the content, it has to be as per the keywords which people generally use to type. So you have to have a very strong keyword strategy, and then only you can expect your videos to come on top. So that's the whole idea about search. Okay. So what determines which video should show up? First and foremost thing, it's relevancy. How well do the keywords relate to the title, description, and the video content? Just now I explain you this, wherein it is a simple logic. Okay. Whatever people type and it is matching with the video, it will show up. Okay. Apart from that, okay, let's say two videos are matching with the keyword puppies. Let's say puppies, categories, categories. Okay, let's say puppy breeds. 10 5 unique puppy breeds. These are the this is the keyword. Okay. Now it is matching with video 1, 5 and video 2. Okay. Equally. The relevancy is equal. Then let's say one video has 100 comments, 1 million views, and other video has 50 comments and 100,000 views. What do you think, which video will come up, video 1 or video 2? What do you think, guys? Let's say, I will repeat my question. I'm saying that there is one keyword. Based on this keyword, There are two videos which have matched exactly with the keyword. Okay. But video one has 100 comments and 1 million views. Video 2 has 50 comments with 100K views. Which video will come on top? What do you think? Guys, are you able to understand my question?
No, sir.
See, let's say this is the search bar. Here you are typing 5 unique copy breeds. Okay. Now, there are two videos which have come up in the search result. Video 1, video 2. Both the videos have the same, what do you call it, keyword title. 5 unique puppy breeds. Same. But one video has 1 million views, another video has 100K views. Now I'm asking, based on this, which video will come on top? Whether video 1 will come on top or video 2 will come on top?
1 million views, sir.
Obviously, right? Because it has more watch time and more engagement. Okay.
Yes.
So the concept here is in the search results, see, whatever you search, see, apart from ad, okay. Now see, if you see these videos, okay, what happens is what is the reason why these laptops are coming on top and how it is happening is because based on when it is posted, okay, the duration it is posted, the views it has, the quality it has, the more what you call authenticity of the keyword. So the logic here is that to come up better in the search results, you have to focus on these three parameters: relevancy of the keywords, okay, used by your users, engagement of your videos, and watch time of your videos. All the three should be really high. All the three must be really high. Only then your videos will start coming up on top. Okay. It will not come on top if you're not having good enough, you know, if you're not having these three parameters properly. Okay. Others will others will take your customers. So the whole idea about a search algorithm, what are the tips you have to follow? First, build your keyword strategy very properly. Try to analyze keywords in your industry. What do people generally search for? There are tools which can help you. You have Uber Suggest, you have answerthepublic.com, you have TubeBuddy, you have tube ranker. So we will be discussing these things in the further sections, but then yeah, I'm just telling you. So you have various tools, okay, which can help you so to build your keyword strategy. Write descriptions from the user's perspective, what they would like to read, what they will think before clicking on any video. See, if you are thinking from user's perspective, definitely you should avoid jargons or technical words because these nobody will type technical words. People will type only simple words, look for simple words in any given videos. One good technique is you can create videos on how to theme. Okay. See, there are a lot of search results. where we keep type how to do so and so thing, how to solve this problem, how to do this, how to do that, right? So in this, so if you are making a video on how to theme, it is that you can expect more search volume for that. Okay, you can use these tools for better keyword strategy, and of course, you can use the idea of trending tab. Okay, for better search results. So the whole idea is you have to be very careful and consistent when you are doing YouTube marketing. Are you able to follow, guys? Are you able to understand? All three of you, Shrishti and Shrujana, are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Just a second, guys. I'll just keep it on charge. 1 second. Then trending tab. Yes, we discussed about this trending tab before. So it's basically what happens is here most popular videos come up, right? So you can what you can do is see make one thing you have to remember that you cannot run an ad just to come on trending tab. It is not possible. Okay. Trending tab is like a achievement place for YouTubers. Okay. Wherein if you are able to create such quality content which is viewed more, okay, that is when YouTube shows your videos as trending. Okay. So create videos. So the simple technique is create videos for large audience. Okay. If you are creating videos for short, small audiences, of course it will not be viewed much. Okay. This problem we have faced. So when I was creating videos for SEMA students, okay, when I was creating videos for SEMA students, I faced a problem where SEMA students are very less in number. Okay. So getting attraction towards SEMA's to getting more views was a challenge because it was a niche audience. Okay, it's better I have to focus on a larger crowd. Okay, so that I can tap into I can tap more number of viewers. So always select video topics which appeal to large audiences. Keep track of your analytics to see whether your videos are trending or not. Okay, whether your videos are coming up in trending tab or not. Then the only thing which you have to do is be consistent, highly consistent. Okay, so when I say consistent, it is not required. I don't mean that you have to post every day. That is not the point, guys. Okay, point here is that you have to select a consistent pattern. Okay, you can, if you are doing only YouTube and you have all the resources with you, you can post every day. If you can live up to this, then you can post every day. Generally I don't see people posting every day on YouTube. Okay, what you can do is you can select once in a week. Okay, or if you want to post more, twice in a week, or let's say once in 2 weeks, or let's say once in a month. You can do anything you want to, but the whole the whole idea is that you have to make sure that you are whatever pattern you are selecting, you have to make sure that you are selecting a pattern and following it regularly. Okay, that is when you will be able to understand, okay, this is how it happens. Okay, if you are not if you are not, let's say 1 month you are posting every day, next month you are posting only once in 2 weeks, these things will not help you build consistency. Okay, that is the whole idea of being consistent. Okay, that's if you're able to follow this, if you're able to understand these aspects, then only you will be able to, you know, create a certain expectations among the audience that okay, yes, this channel gives content in this pattern. Okay, your subscribers will start to increase, your videos will start to increase, views will start to increase, and if any time you're able to make a content video on a very promising content, then you can come on the trending tab. That's the logic, guys. This is how the algorithm works. So always remember, if you want to think about YouTube as an algorithm, it majorly is based on four areas. First is your homepage. Okay. Second is the suggested videos. Third is the search bar, and fourth is the trending tab. If you are channelizing your time and energy in focusing the tips and techniques and trying to build the videos for these four areas, I think you'll do wonderful over time on YouTube. That's the logic of YouTube algorithm. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the next topic I'll start tomorrow. So we have around 12 to 15 topics, guys. So as of now, 12 topics. I'll see if I have to add more. So slowly and steadily, in a week's time or so, we will complete our YouTube syllabus.